how to see your list interacted follower on Instagram. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up the simple steps. So open up your Instagram application and log in, and you should be finding this home interface. Now from here, what you can do is go ahead and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner in order to open up your profile page. Once you open up your profile page, you should be finding your number of posts and all posts together, including that at the top, you'll be finding followers and following. Now from the given options, you need to look out for the following option. Go ahead and tap on that option. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding categories. So from the categories given below, we easily find an option called list interacted with option. So go ahead and tap on list interacted with. And then once you go ahead there, you should be finding all of the people that you have list interacted with. That is such as with the list interaction day in the last 90 days, such as liking their post or reacting to their stories. And here it will give you the list available. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to look out for your list interactions on Instagram very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.